just finished watching the Welcome to the Jungle Bollywood movie, and it was super awesome, super funny, and I loved it. Super blockbuster. And now just starting vlog number 3 and mini vlog number 3, and today is 7th August. I woke up early in the morning and then started watching the movie. It is almost a 3-hour long movie, and started watching it and now finished it. It's almost 3:45 now, so yeah, just started my vlog, and let's see what I can show you guys in part 3.
সংঘাতের তীব্রতা ইউক্রেনের পূর্বাঞ্চলে রুশ হামলায় অন্তত 6 জন নিহত হয়েছেন। পাল্টা অভিযানে রাশিয়ার একটি বড় তেল
Hey guys, cooking chicken curry. I wish if the Apple camera had the switch between front camera and back camera while recording video. Probably they have in iPhone 17, I don't know. So yeah, now cooking in my kitchen chicken curry, and gonna enjoy it with the wheat roti. Hey guys, cooking my chicken with my special secret ingredients infused with lots of herbs. Herbs infused chicken curry. Hey guys, power outage. But cooking is still going on. So this was it guys in this vlog number 3 and mini vlog, and it's 1:30 in the morning now, 8th August. So yeah, so this was it. Hopefully you guys loved it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share the video when you guys watch it. And that's all for now, and adios, and see you guys in the next one.